The chamber, 2.4 meters in length, 1.2 meters in width, and 2.65 meters in height, can house 4 medical staff at the same time and is also equipped with an air purifier and disinfection system. Unlike previous days, when medical staff in Bắc Giang had to race against time to take samples for testing in extremely hot weather conditions while wearing tight medical clothing, Nurse Chu Thị Thanh and her colleagues feel that collecting samples is now much easier as they work in a cool space.
The chamber makes us feel more comfortable and secure as we do not have direct contact with many people.
The chamber weighs around 270 kilograms and has 6 wheels to make it more mobile.
The chamber has several advantages, including having air conditioning and UV light for disinfection.
Communication from the inside to the outside of the chamber and vice versa is done through a walkie-talkie and a system controlled by smartphones. The developers of the chamber are now waiting for feedback from medical staff to make any improvements. It's hoped that more mobile chambers like this will be developed to support frontline workers in Bắc Giang.